It looks really nice. I love the sofa set. You have gypsum ceilings. Look at that dining. Look at that. A coffee table. Looks really nice. On this other side, we have a kitchen area. Look at that. A lot of cabinets. We have a smoke constructor. Look at that. A window over there. On that sink, as you can see. This is the first bedroom. Look at that. You have art piece over there. Window. The bed looks really nice. And this is the master bedroom now. Look at those two mirrors over there. I love the lighting of this chandelier, as you can see. On this other side, you have a closet. Also a TV. Look at that. You can watch a movie, before you sleep. You have a fireplace. Also comes the shower area. Look at that. Don't forget to like and share the video, guys. See you on the next one.